Hey guys, so somebody asked me to do a level 8. In some cases, 7 and 8 are combined depending on your master. So what 7 is head strokes, T-strokes, bottom strokes, upper strokes, also with the filling strokes to create your spine. 7 technically ends where your spine ends, right? And 8 is the tail. So the difference here with your tail strokes is you always, typically, you guys are learning a spine 6. But, so this is a spine 6. So what happens is your spine line will end at 0.6. So at 0.2 is where we're going to start to do our tail strokes. These strokes are all going to be longer and they're all going to point to 0.3. Okay? So, I know I've got a new phone and a new light that holds my camera, or my phone, which is superb. So, what we're going to do is start here. Remember, we have our spine line created, so never cross lines here, ever. Okay, if you cross lines, what happens? You get blurred out lines, big, icky, nasty spots. They get blurred out, they look gray, kind of like a blob. So we're gonna still go in the method of following that spine line, right? So, like I said, these are going to be longer and point at 0.3. I'm also using my classic blade that I've had for well over a month with no problems. So as you notice, I'm not crossing any lines. Now, what also happens here, just to show you, is some people have a problem in this region here, right? And where they're ending their stroke and it's pointing down. So there's like a bunch of spikes here. So the object is to not get those spikes. It's to sit on and ride that line. We could do another one here. Again, we're doing longer strokes. Now if you see, I just landed that on that line. So, like I said, we're not gonna go and end this with a point, right? Pointing down, so that you have these weird spikes. What you want to do is ride the line. Okay, so let's see how that turned out. So if you can see, I'll bring this a little closer. See how they're all really, really long? This is obviously not perfection. This is my first time doing it. not looking right on it. But the goal here is, I think this is a no ink. There we go. So you never want to end with these points at the end. Ride the line. Okay? These are a little wiggly, but where am I? There we go. I don't know if you can see how long they are in comparison to everything up here. But that's what we're going for. So I hope that kind of helped. If it didn't, I'll do another one. Just let me know. Okay. Have a good night, guys.